Hello YouTube, I'm Siren and today we are doing a little bit of siren hunting, but on foot. So I don't really know very well the layout of this town's siren system. I think we have mostly 2001 130s, or in that realm. I can't really remember. And Wayland WPS 2905s, which in fact one nearby where I live is one where I am going to be filming here in the next week or two. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. But right now I'm walking to a park. Yeah, I am hoping there's a siren there. But today I'm just kind of walking around town. So I decided, why not make a video out of it? And see if we find some interesting sirens. So the 2905s and I believe the 2001s, it's a very weird system, are actually replacing a system of thunderbolts. So we may also see some remnants of that system as well, and I'll try to document it as well as I can, but can't be too sure. Alright, I'm gonna keep walking, and I will pull you guys, or I will start recording if I see sirens. So let's go. It's that's a bad. I'm with music and I kept playing right after I started the video, but I probably should have looked both ways before crossing the street, but didn't, and that's fucking fine. I don't care. I will not die. This was the siren that I was not gonna really film. Going to, but here we are. So this is the siren that's going to be filmed for the May tornado siren test. Can't walk up to the base. This is about as I'm going to get as close to it as I can. Look both ways. Da-dee-da-dee-da. But here we are. This is as close as I can get. Get a couple of pictures of it, because why not? But this is a 2905 that I'm planning on filming, and let's take a little detour from where I'm supposed to be going according to GPS. Here so long, and I still don't really know. So I think the tests are either on the first or second Wednesday of the month. I've been getting mixed signals, so I'm going to be going this Wednesday. And then, yeah, I'm going to be going this Wednesday. And if it doesn't happen this Wednesday, I'm gonna next Wednesday. But this is the best for as I'm gonna be. Camera quality is gonna be kind of shit because it's a phone camera. This is about as far away as I'm gonna get to this siren. But I'm gonna find a bench and try to find the siren map and we will pictures there. So I'm gonna see if I get up close again. There's no one that is currently in school. It's fucking Sunday, so my dumbass didn't remember that. So I can get up kind of close siren with camera. If it's glitching for you guys, I'm sorry. This sounded really weird. And I'm not sure why. Just is. But I've been looking up like parks and stuff and hope to find siren. But I might actually end up going to Taco John's, kind of around that area, because I know there's one there. I'd probably go to the base of. Yeah. There's the control box. There's that. And then just find it. And the pole. Da-da-da. But okay. Alright. We've spent like 4 minutes at the siren. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so because of where it's placed and I need to cross the street, I can't get up like close and personal to it. I'm going to put this down while I run. And I need to wait. It's a little hard to see, but over there is a 2810. I think is a 2810. I'll get a better shot of it here soon. But that's where we're headed, and it might be our only one. This might be a short little hunt here. With a close-up of my feet, I am, I'll lift it up a little bit there. There's a siren. My headset's yelling at me because the battery is low, which I relatively don't care. But I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit closer. I wonder if there's like a sidewalk or something I can dash to. It looks like there is, so I think we're actually gonna have some good luck at this one. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the only one for today. Like the last one for today, because my batteries are getting low, so I'm gonna have to turn back around. Might visit the Westmore siren again, and then might turn around and head back. So yeah, this is as close as I want to get to it. Can't tell if you can see it right. The sun is in my eyes. I'm gonna assume y'all can. Get pictures. Alright. And that is me getting the pictures and videos. And ooh, there's a water gun. But I might film more later, I don't know. My headset is currently running low, so I'm walking back home. And while I'm there, I might as well charge my phone and shit. Go to the bathroom. because my headset's at 10% and I have to make phone calls and shit. Or not phone calls, I need it. I just need to be able to listen. Like, I like to listen to music when I'm out walking, you know? And if it's silent, it drives me fucking crazy, so I don't do a whole lot of silent walking. It's not my thing, so yeah. Also on Wednesday, I think I've said it before, I'm thinking of having that siren be the June test, or like the June's, you know, film site, like test, you know, because there's a lot, like there's a park, okay, there's a park nearby, so I could post up at the park. It'll be a lot easier than, the fuck was that? Hold on. It'll be a lot easier than seeing the 2905. It'll be easier to see 2810. Also, guys, if I'm incorrect about the 2810, because I do not know Wayland sirens all that well. Like I know the easy ones, like, you know, the Hornet, the Vortex, and the 404, or the 4004. It's like I'm more of a Federal Signal, ACA, ASC kind of guy. Haven't really because like the WPS series, except I guess for the 4004, looks so damn similar. So damn similar. So that always confuses me. It's the same with the modulator. That one I also don't. I kind of struggle to tell them apart, but you know, hopefully, because I'm living in a town that is full of them, and I mean full of them, I will probably end up learning them. But until then, please, I beg of thee, correct me. And I know it's going to be a lot of walking and talking here, but again, my headset is pretty much dead, and I want to be able to do something while I'm walking. This is going to be like, I guess, the first like longer form video on this channel. Because this channel is still so new, dude. It is still so new. But like also as I'm walking up here, you know, there's gonna be more like freaking places to apply. Because I'm doing this as I'm walking like around Scott's. Might as well walk that sidewalk. As I'm walking around Scott's looking for a job. So, yeah. And we needed more sidewalks here. It's like I've said that I'm more familiar with Federal Signal. That's because where I grew up, where I was living most of my life, except I guess for when I was living in Kansas, where they had 612s. They had like the 2001 series, 2001 DC, 2001 130s, Equinoxes. Is my finger covering the camera? It probably is. So I'm more used to Federal Signal. But I will say this, it was weird when my family moved. I only can think of a couple of times where I've heard sirens do this. And where like they start off doing alert, and then pretty quick they go into attack. I always found that perplexing, and I was wondering why they did that. But I am gonna go ahead and stop yapping for a little bit, because I've been yapping for almost 10 minutes, so this is gonna be a long video. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up for you guys and see if we can get some more sirens. I'll probably hop back on when I see that 2905 again. Okay, something cool just kind of happened, and I'm starting this recording because I am actually starting to get pretty close to that 2905 again, and I kind of thought, heck, why not? We'll record it again. So, but I kind of want to tell y'all, and after this video here, I'll put in a clip. I did take a video. Before I start though, just letting y'all know, I'm not a train guy, but after this I might be, because this is really cool. And all the train guys who watch this, feel free to eat me if I did something stupid. Like I said before, I'm not a train guy, so I don't know everything. But train, I'm on my way home right now to charge my stuff, and while I was on my way home, a train ended up passing by on the railroad crossing right in front of me, so I got a video of that. And okay, it wants to glitch out and not working. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Fuck. Yeah, my headphones died, and so I kind of want to blab to y'all. But that was definitely the highlight to my day. And I guess this route is not going to take me to the siren, so that's unfortunate. But it will be out later, so we will take a look at the siren map, and I will I will try and find some more sirens. Hopefully I can find some of the federal signal sirens around here. But I will probably have more videos for y'all. More sirens for y'all. This video has been more blabbing than sirens, and I apologize. So we'll find y'all more sirens. Stand back a little bit. That's a ledge. Please don't be long, man. Hello everybody, good morning. Today is day 2. It's kind of cold. So actually I'm gonna turn around and grab my coat because it's actually kind of cold. But today is day 2 of kind of the whole siren hunt that we're doing. Today I think we're only gonna go to 1, maybe 2, depending on how I feel. But today we are actually stepping into gearing for our 2001 SRNB, which is what I'm used to seeing and hearing. As that's what we had when I was growing up. Should get my coat. So that's what we had growing up. So, and my GPS is freaking out. There's the ski boy. So, I could at least have that on my arms because I'm wearing shorts because I got hot yesterday. Anyway, there's a 2001 SRNB that I want to go see. There's also a bit further away, but there is kind of in the same area, Sterling M10 that I possibly would want to go see. Would be interesting because I've actually never seen one of those before. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna keep on walking, and it's cloudy. I'm gonna keep walking and look out for Wednesday's video. If the scheduling is correct, I should be there should be a siren test that day, and I am gonna go up to the 2905 just down the street from me, so stay tuned for that. Okay, that's been about an hour, enough for it to warm up, and we are getting pretty close to, I'll get my hand out of the way. We're getting pretty close to the siren now, should be. Yeah, I see control boxes. I'm not gonna get too close up to it because this is residential and it's kind of in someone's property. But it's been a while since I have seen one of these up close in person. There's a dog. Tiny puppers. But I'm just gonna kind of stand back, but here it is. This is what I'm used to seeing. Dude, like this. Okay, that's it's nice. I don't want people thinking I'm weird, so I'm gonna be quick. Well, guys, I guess since we didn't get to check this siren out a second time yesterday, it's gonna give us a second chance, and I don't know if y'all can hear me well because my mic is up and I don't feel like flipping the mic back down. We'll be quick here because this is kind of outside of a school, like I stated before. This is the Wheelock WPS 2905. Again, this is the one that we are going to be visiting. We're just going to walk by it. We're not going to go like up close to it. But here it is. This is the siren that we are going to be filming here in a couple of days, actually. Try not to die and get hit by a car. But yeah, a little short clip of it. There's the control box. Oh yeah, here it is.